Alrighty guys, we're back on the Jeep Scrambler build. We've got a very good video for y'all today. We're going to be mounting this radiator. Super excited. You guys are going to get to see some aluminum welding, making some tabs, making some mounts. It's going to be all kinds of good stuff today, so let's get after it. Okay guys, let's jump right on into this aluminum welding here. So first we got to weld on some bungs here onto the side of the radiator, 3 on each side. And I'm not the best aluminum welder. I'm getting better and better at it, so I just thought I'd give you some of the tricks that I know about it. Just wanted to show you what tungsten we're using. And also I always use a test piece first. That's what you can see there that I'm holding to kind of do some practicing welding on before I weld anything up. That's just my personal preference of what I'm learning and what I'm trying to do. The welds turned out pretty decent, pretty happy with it, and let's keep on rocking here. Here we go guys, we're about to bend out some pieces for our mounts that we need to make also to support that radiator. And I thought this footage kind of turned out kind of cool just because we had so many identical 90 degree bends here. And I completely mislabel what this bender is called. It's actually made by Rigid. I call it a Ryobi bender here in just a few minutes, so that's my bad guys. And in this next little clip here, but I thought this was a cool little footage, let you guys kind of see how I bent all these bad boys out. Alright guys, we just got our bungs welded on and we got our plates on there, and we just bent out our 90 degree pieces there. You guys just saw that. And basically what we're trying to do is we got to make us some mounts going here. I'm trying to make something wicked and pretty cool looking at the same time. So we bent these out, and we're going to see how all this looks out here. Maybe something along this lines here, and then I have one down here, maybe one right there, 3 total on each side. I think that'd be a really good clamp. We got to put our mounts down here at the bottom first, so we need to get those put together, make those, and once we got those built, we'll start tacking some stuff up. Of course, we're going to have to shorten these, but that's how long a piece has to be to bend it in our little, I think it's a Ryobi bender there. But let's rock and roll, guys. Okay, so I totally messed up here and completely didn't make some footage of how we made these little pieces right here. This is the little cradles that me and my dad made to support the bottom of the radiator, and also put some rubber mounts in there. And we've got the rubber in there now so I could shim everything out and get everything kind of lined up as I tacked in all these pieces here that you see. And we're looking good, guys, looking good. Alright guys, check it out. This thing's pretty good and well mounted in there. Look how strong this is. Bone, man. In good shape. I like how this is looking. The mounts are on the side, turned out pretty cool looking. And I like this one too. Pretty neat looking. But you know, something that we've done there, I couldn't remember if we talked about it or not, but we've got like little pieces of aluminum shims, like just sheet metal. It's got some holes cut in it to give us a little shim. See it right there? Yeah. Those will come out. Only reason why I've got those in there is so when you're welding this stuff up, metal flexes and it bends and it tweaks. When we go take those shims out, now we'll actually be able to take the radiator in and out without it being, you know, having to beat it in with a hammer type deal. It just gives us a little bit of tolerance there to work with. But that's done. Now we need to weld in another bung on the radiator here. We need to run our vent line from over there on the side of the head in over here. This will just have a little braided hose that'll go over there type thing, and just have a little AN fit, and that'll go on the end of that. But you know, we're coming right along here. We got a lot of parts coming. We got the fans coming. This took longer than what I ever expected it to. But the problems we ran across was, how do we mount it, look good, strong, and out of the way? And we're very limited on space up here. We don't have a strong grill piece or header panel to mount the top of the radiator to, so it really kind of, man, it was going to be weird depending on what we end up having to do there. But we've done this. I think it'll work out really nice. It'll look really good there. We'll walk back to the rear of the Jeep back here. We're getting the rear end kind of mocked up back here. You guys can kind of finally see that thing kind of sitting under there. I apologize for all the mess right now. We are just slam busy. I'm thrashing like crazy as hard as I can go right now, and stuff just gets piled up when that happens. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed us working on Jeep Scrambler build. I know we got a lot of things going on in the background now. We're posting a lot of videos of different stuff, trying to get those views up, trying to get those watch hours up and get more subscribers and that sort of thing. And you guys have been killing it. Thank you all so much for commenting down below. That helps out a ton on getting the boost of our video to go up there, meaning get more watch time and that sort of thing. Also, we enjoy learning about what all you guys are building at home. Definitely be sure to comment below and tell me what all you guys got going on, how things are going your way. We've got tons and tons of things that's going on with Jeep right now at different avenues. You know, we've got tons of stuff being ordered. We got tons of stuff coming in, tons of stuff going out. You know, we're super slammed. It was really cool to be able to help Jesse a little bit with his 55. You guys got to see that video there. I'm just really busy, man. It's you know, we've ramped up. We've been fabricating, welding, making suspension components, shipping parts out as fast as we can go. And you know, I'm getting really excited there. We're getting kind of at a point. It's going to be nice to finally get some stuff out the door there. But we still got a long ways to go. We still got a lot of work to do, but we're getting closer every day. Be sure to make sure you are subscribed. Look down below the video on YouTube, okay? And look to see if you are subscribed or not. That helps out a ton if you are. Let's see here. Don't forget to share our videos. That helps out a ton. Tell your friends about us. We need as many subscribers and as many watchers as we can possibly get on this deal. You guys are helping the Kilby name get out there. You're helping this build get out here, the GTO build, so on and so forth. But that's it for me. You guys have a good one. Until next time, y'all have a good one. Thank you guys so much for watching our video. Be sure to check out our new website, kilbymotorsports.com, for all your high performance needs. If you like this video, be sure to smash that subscribe button. It helps us out a ton. Till next time, you guys have a good one.